Hello, skis Dynastar, maybe, maybe not, because I don't know, they're black for me, but I recognize them by my feelings. A little bit narrow version of ski. If you're watching our test not for the first time, you should know what I liked this concept of Dynastar ski when then this concept just appeared. They was interesting and unusual. Right now on this test there is actually quite narrow model with narrow waist, and honestly this version of the skis I didn't understand, because in the end this skis is for nothing. These skis have no carving at all. Previous models has no carving too, but there was a small piece of carving in previous models. It was really hard to catch carving in the previous models, but in these skis there is no carving at all, absolutely. On one hand, you want to ride fast on these skis. You want to ride fast and work on the speed, but these skis don't work on a high speed. They quite soft and should be comfortable in riding, but in the end of a slope they killed my legs. Previously I ride on some all-round skis with strong carving side, and I was alive and healthy in the end of slope. On these skis, in the end of slope, I was really exhausted. And I can't say what slope was bad, it was unprepared, it was smashed. No, it was the same slope. Maybe the only mode of riding, the only style of riding what can be interesting on the skis is riding which is out of all styles. It's just a riding for fun, just fun riding. Then you're riding out of all techniques, just super fun riding. And it's called I'm just riding without any technique at all and jumping on every bump and just having fun. But for this style of riding, I better choose longer and wider skis, because they are more playful and I can ride on them everywhere. But on these Dynastar skis, yes, there is some playful, but it's somewhere deep in the skis, somewhere really deep, or it's somewhere far away. Well, I just don't like the skis. I don't like their playful, I don't like their carving, I don't like riding. But actually, on a speed it was normal. I reached the average speed and riding was quite nice. I feel myself really good. But I can't say what I want to do that again, and this riding was interesting. I better say what I just reached the end of the slope of the skis. But on the other hand, I can say what the skis are bad. When you are in the mountains, in the good mountains, you have a good company and you have some fun, and if in these circumstances you take these skis and rent, nothing bad will happen. You likely will have fun and you will have some good riding. And if you, for example, going to ride with your kids, these skis will be good. This skis is for average speed on anti-stylish, anti-technical turn. Maybe that's exactly what's called a family riding. On really soft snow from the cafe to cafe. I have nothing more to say about the skis. I will go and change them. To not lose this, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also there is full information about the skis on the website, so check it. Goodbye.